Hello everyone, this is Murshid Faisal Ahmed. Now I am showing a calculator making with Python. So firstly I run this program, okay, and Python calculator.py. Okay, if I run this program, this is my output. Okay, this is my output. So Python calculator by Faisal. This is the Python calculator. This is the file. Here you will find the option move, minimize, maximize, and close. Okay, so if I doing it 6 plus 6 equal to 12 and clear C, and 5 plus 5 minus 4, so it should be 6. 5 plus 5 minus 4 equal to 6. Now clear, I have to clear, and 5 into 5 minus 4, so it should be 21. So it's working 21. So now I'm showing my code how it will works. Okay, firstly I have import a library tkinter. So from tkinter import wall, and then I have created a class calculator, and in the calculator class I have created some function. So firstly I have created a function, init function, and in the init function I have assigned two values, self and master. This is an argument, self and master arguments. And in the self.master, master.title, this is for title, Python calculator Wi-Fi. So it's showing here, and self.equation, and for this equation line I have created two lines. For self.equation equal to entry is a function. It is in the tkinter function, defining the tkinter function, not here. And in this entry function I have assigned master, and width is 52. So its width, that means here to here is the width is 52, and border width, so there is a border, and border width 5. And if self.equation grid, this is a method. This method is also defined in tkinter library. Row equal to 0, column equal to 0, column span 4. It's padding 10 and padding y হচ্ছে 10. Padding means this padding x and y. So this padding is 10 and 10, and self.create button. So I have called a function create button. So I have to declare that create button function, and I have declared here create button. So b0, b1, b2, I have created the button with add button function. Okay, and here I have created these buttons, and now I have to arrange this button in this way: row 1 7 8 9 and plus sign 7 8 b7 b8 b9 and b8. This way I have arranged these buttons, and I have to show on graphical interface. For this reason I have created this loop for row in this value or variable in row 1, row 2, row 3, 4, row 4. And this is the .grid method. By the .grid method I have arranged these buttons in graphical user interface GUI, and different I have created another function add button. So here I have called, okay, I have created another button, add button, self and argument self and value. So return button which will return the button self.master text equal to value, width equal to 9, and comment equal to lambda. Okay, self.click button, it is the use of lambda in Python, and its width will be 9. So button's width will be 9. Then I have created another function, that is click button. This is the action already, that means I have click here and it will work here. For this reason I have created this function, click button, self and value, argument self and value, and current equation, that means self notification dot get, which will get it is 4 into 6. That will be the current equation, and it's taken by the get method. And if that value is C, so if I click in C, so what will be happen, the equation will be deleted. Okay, and if the value is equal, then I have created a local variable answer, and the answer will be the current equation they evaluate. And eval, this is the function of tkinter. This is the evaluate the this will evaluate the equation, that means 7 plus 7. If I click this here, so 7 plus 7, that means 14. And after 14, my first equation, that is 7 plus 7, that will be deleted. So self dot equation delete minus 1, and self dot equation insert 0. So here answer will be inserted, and first equation will be deleted. If we click another place, self dot equation delete and equation insert minus 1, current equation plus value. So 7 plus if I answer another here, so current equation plus value will be inserted, and each and every class and function are execute in that function, that is main function. Okay, so if name equal to main function, then root equal to tk. Tk is the method of tkinter library, and graphical user interface calculator root. So I have called the calculator class and root dot main loop. I have called the root dot main root. For y, root dot main root. This is the standard execution starter. If double underscore name double underscore equal main. This is a standard procedure. You can read from the Google. Okay, and we add main loop for y. Root dot main loop is a method of tk method, basically telling the app to wait for the events and update the user interface accordingly. So it's wait for the update, what will be clicked here and there. That's why root dot main loop. This is the method from it's coming from tkinter library. Okay, this is my code, and if I run this program, so I've run this program here. So clear, all clear, and 4 in minus 4 equal to 0. So it works well, right? Okay, thank you.